In that context, Lindsay, let me ask you another basic question. To what extent is a state's franchise tax similar to an income tax? Or is a franchise tax similar to the business activity tax, a whole separate category of taxes that states levy?
Mike, franchise taxes are somewhat unique. Most franchise taxes are a capital-based tax, so based on a taxpayer's capital either used or located in a particular state. However, with that said, the name franchise tax can be misleading because a number of states, such as New York, use the term franchise tax to describe their general corporate income tax, which may or may not have perhaps a capital-based component.
Well, the reason I ask you about franchise taxes, Lindsay, is that I saw another economic nexus case involving the state of California. Did you see that Harley-Davidson argued that California lacked franchise tax nexus with two of its subsidiary corporations that had no physical presence in California?
So, Mike, in that Harley-Davidson case, the two out-of-state taxpayers were challenging the ability of California to impose tax on their income. However, California, as opposed to just a pure economic nexus argument, was arguing that it was actually the activities of affiliates of those out-of-state businesses in the state that gave rise to nexus under attributional nexus principles. And under attributional nexus, the U.S. Supreme Court has stated that activities of third parties can create substantial nexus for an out-of-state company. In the two U.S. Supreme Court cases upholding the concept of attributional nexus, the U.S. Supreme Court addressed activities that helped a taxpayer establish and maintain their in-state market. What was interesting about the Harley-Davidson case is that the activities being conducted by the in-state's affiliate were not market or sales related. And the court rejected the idea that the activities of the third party have to be sales or market related, and instead said they merely have to be a crucial part of the taxpayer's overall business operations. So it will be interesting to see as this case progresses if this historic standard of attributional nexus remains or if it changes.